Hello and welcome to this channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a stunning pop-up page on your WordPress site. Whether you want to display a special offer, a contact form, a YouTube video, or just some important information, pop-ups can be a great way to engage your visitors. So let's get started. First things first, we need to install the Popup by Supsystic plugin. So, head over to your WordPress dashboard, and from the sidebar, go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Popup by Supsystic and press Enter. Once the plugin appears, click Install Now, and after it installs, click Activate. Now that the plugin is activated, you can find a new option under the Settings menu called Popup by Supsystic. Click on that, and then select Add New Popup to start creating your pop-up. The Popup by Supsystic plugin offers a wide range of pre-designed templates to help you get started quickly. These templates are organized into different categories, like newsletter signups, promotional pop-ups, exit intent pop-ups, and more. Each template is fully customizable, meaning you can adjust the colors, fonts, text, and images to match your website's branding. For this tutorial, we're going to create a pop-up that displays a YouTube video on our homepage. This is a great way to showcase a video, drive traffic to your YouTube channel, or promote new content directly to your website visitors. To start, let's select a basic video template that suits our promotional needs. From the available templates, choose the one that's most fitting for displaying your YouTube video. After selecting the template, name your pop-up something descriptive, like YouTube Video Promo, so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named it, the next step is to customize the design and settings. We'll head over to the Settings section to configure how and where the pop-up will appear. First, let's configure the display settings. We'll set the pop-up to appear after 5 seconds of a visitor landing on your page. For the closing behavior, select After User Closes It, so the pop-up stays open until the visitor decides to close it. Finally, set Whom to Show to Everyone to ensure all visitors see the pop-up. Let's dive into the design customization. First, we'll place the YouTube video URL that you want to showcase in your pop-up. To do this, look for the option to add or embed media within the template. Paste your YouTube video URL into the designated field, and the video will appear in your pop-up. Next, let's adjust the appearance to match your site style. You can change the background color of the video area to make it stand out or blend seamlessly with your website's design. Simply select the background color option and choose the color that best fits your brand. Additionally, you can customize the button color to ensure it attracts attention and encourages clicks. Choose a color that contrasts well with the rest of your design to make the call to action button more noticeable. Once you're happy with the design, click Save to apply your changes. Your customized video pop-up is now ready to go. Now that we've added and customized our pop-up, let's take a look at how it appears on the site. As you can see, the pop-up is displaying nicely, but it looks like the size could be a bit larger to better capture the visitor's attention. No worries, adjusting the size is easy. Let's head back to the Popup by Supsystic plugin settings. Click on the pop-up we've just created to reopen the editor. In the design settings, you'll find options to adjust the dimensions of your pop-up. Increase the width and height to make the pop-up more prominent on the page. Once you've made the adjustments, save your changes and preview the pop-up again. This will ensure that the new size fits perfectly and looks great for your visitors. Now, let's create a more strategic pop-up. Instead of sending visitors directly to your YouTube channel, we'll ask them to sign up first. We'll create a sign-up form pop-up where users can enter their email, and once they submit, they'll be redirected to your YouTube channel. It's a great way to collect leads and still drive traffic to your videos. Now that we've selected our template and created the pop-up, let's set up the display time and configure the necessary settings. In the Design tab, you have full control over the look and feel of your pop-up. You can easily swap out the default image with one that fits your brand, adjust the background color to match your website's theme, and even customize the button color to make it stand out. For this YouTube video pop-up, we'll make sure everything aligns with our brand, creating a visually appealing and attention-grabbing design that encourages visitors to engage with our content. In the pop-up location settings, you have full control over where the pop-up appears on your website. You can choose to display it across the entire site or limit it to specific pages or posts. In the text, you can change and organize your message that is the reason visitors fill out the form. Make better text. To make your pop-up stand out, add animations to catch visitors' attention. Go to the animation settings in the pop-up builder and choose effects like fade in, slide up, or bounce. After setting up the animation, don't forget to save your changes to make sure everything is applied correctly. To ensure that all your modifications are properly recorded, please click the Save button. Once you've saved your changes, you can view the results to confirm that everything has been updated as expected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.